Watch ya man, one puppy that I represent for Coloring Book TV. And people from you see title and from you see me puppy that the writers I represent. You know some I represent for the brand new movie we call Pregnant for Her Cousin. So people I just want to know watch your movie at the end. Tell a friend about Coloring Book TV. And make sure you go watch your World TV also and go over Tia Films and go over David and HD. Tugger Films also, Papa, hey, whole nation, Richard Brown Films, Jamaica. So people, I not talk out it, but I just have a few people to get a little big up. Some want big up Paulette Rogers, you understand, Megan Morris, you understand, Kim Mario, James, Dean, David Barker, you understand, Judith Brown, Monique Barco, you understand, Sashana Jones, Mildia Sanders, Patrick Evans, you understand, and Karen Sweeten, and Dee and the family. You understand, Sanja, Sharon, Junior Williams, Peter, Marcus Peter, you understand, Noreen Nicholson, Chanel official people, and just big up on yourself. You understand, in our next movie, you know, we have a few more people to big up. So just go and support the thing. Watch your movie at the end. For now, I'm out. Yes, auntie man. Auntie, you know, so really not now go on from me leave America, from me get deported from America. I just tell you say kinda rough out here. I look at things so me have a girlfriend and go do some work more while. Sometimes I get some work or some little days work on a site or something. Auntie, me kinda miss foreign still, you know. And since me come back forward back at Jamaica. Like true, I grew up big and all, and the whole of my family, my cousin, them, everybody just grew up and gone about for them business. I just, yeah? No, auntie, I just two cousins me meet over there. You understand? I don't really know my family. Sometimes when I pass on my road, I never know some my family them. You know, hear me? When you say I was send on 3 bills to me? Oh God, man, me tell you say I'm my favorite auntie, you know. Yeah, man, I the same information I mean texted the last time. Yeah. Yeah, want to surprise me, auntie? Why surprise? Yo! Oh, yeah, try to see if you can sort all the things for me come back up a foreign. That would have nice, man, because I kind of Jamaica rough, you know, auntie. Alright, me auntie. Yeah. Alright, me auntie. Jesus Christ. Where are you? Puppy and I want to you. Brother, me I tell you say, a football me I want girl in a room I play. And the man come catch me in the house and give me one slap out of my shade for my shoulder. I tell you say me have to run out. Just one slap in gear. What you mean me have to run out in my underpants suit? So you go play football in the man bed with the woman. Eh? She invite me over. Why? Where man there? You man up on yard with the woman now. Come on, come here, go back up. Come on, you man, give you 4 more slap. More thing give you 4 more slap. Eh? Where you got the man yard for? Why you no make the woman come and see your yard? Because every time she come on my yard, sometimes I can check her too. I feel me yard? I feel the woman yard? No, I feel the woman yard. Come here, go check the man. Come on, he give you 3 more. So that you really want your virgin get? Cause you fi tap go man yard, go look for that woman. Brother, yo, that's you know how long this man I can me out. A 2 dozen panty me give you man another day, and 10,000, you know how long him can me and me just get to go in our play field. Let me tell you something, man. Anytime I there with a woman and a side woman, you know buy them 2 dozen panty because you alone can't take off the 2 dozen. You know for a football match reach a while ago. How long would it then? None of we not get fi come a penalty. Are you woman in your yard you buy 2 dozen panty for your permanent woman? You know buy side girl 2 dozen panty, you buy them 3 or 6. Look on him not like he swell. He swell but you know swell good. tell you. But yo, anyhow still. I mean, auntie there talk on the phone, you know, bro. Bro, I miss New York, you know, Bronx, you know, Long Island to all of them places. I miss them, you know, bro. Yeah. Bro, when me in New York, you know, my nigga, me I tell us every day, me clean off, you know, bro. I mean, I say over there for real, man, when they send me a little $50 US, them 100 US, man. Right now, me there, bro, right now, not going for me, all movement me left for yard right now, hungry, bro. Brother, you know what I say? Much of your family member them you meet when you really come down and still, because when you get deported and everything, you know, me I tell you, say, thing kind of mash up for you in my area. Bro, remember, you know, remember some of your family. I don't remember some of them. I walk past my road right now, I don't even know. All the time I pass on the bike, I can't all my family, I don't even know. You get me? I say? I'll be a family. I don't even know. But you're my family still. So you say 300 US auntie says, I send Congi. I'm not 300 US, man, 100 US, man. And you tell me say 300, then I remember. You know me, I tell us 100 now. Bro, more like me tell some of my family to you. You see me? Me not know my family, bro. If me and them, if me all go down some man box me up now, can't my family box me up. So your woman here, she pregnant because me the reason that day. Bro, 2 times now she lose the baby, you know. Me don't know if I shallow home, me don't know if. So one day, me don't know why problem, bro. Maybe your gun now connect. Maybe we shot them in fire, let us stick up like a bomb. If you go in there and connect, you won't lose the baby. Remember say baby go there, you know, lose, you know. So I know my problem that you know me I shoot, you know. Me know. But anyhow, my auntie say I send me one trip. One bills. So I'm going to pick up it. You don't say a children that she send here? No, man. Okay, you know me, I go beg you for your 100 out. I try that up on my mind. I the 3 bills up on my mind. So I come back and now I give one $2 US out of it. So I go collect it. Keep that, man. You see me? Keep that and feel. But you good though? No, brother, I'm not good dude. No, I forgot to say no bait because you got the man here and man slap your blood sleep, my shit. Yo, look come on.
Mr. Girl, we have something to tell you.
What that no?
You know, family come on, no? Other day, film side of family and keep family reunion and then bring me to meet everybody. Auntie, uncle, cousin, father, mother, everybody me meet. Girl, people they nice. People them nice. You meet 1 and 2 and female people them, but you know, meet them like how me meet film them. When I then they do me, I make you know everybody feel me. Say, all your mother, wonder something your mother give me. And his sister them just love me, girl. My wife in a done life right now.
Yeah, girl. Well, I can't say I'm happy for you, but I'm not happy for myself at all. Cause guess what? I can't relate to what you say.
What I mean by?
Me a coloring book the girl, and I don't know nobody for coloring book. I never go on a family reunion and him don't know nobody for me. It's like, me don't know.
Go that.
You know understand that?
Well, time do things. Maybe one of them there, your family will keep some more family.
You see from my mother dead? From my mother dead is like, no family reunion not really keep like that. Cause I remember saying, no, this is a little place, you know, and mommy house, you know. But when me did little and me didn't move go White House, go live with my father, cause mommy did take sick and she couldn't take care of me and then little way, you know. So me get bigger now, forward back, take over, cause she did rent out and something. But girl, from mommy sick, no family reunion now keep, so me can't get to know my family, all of my family, and then guess what now? Coloring book, me don't know. Most of the family them they are foreign. Some me don't know.
Speaking of foreign, how make you get deported?
Well, that is another story for another day.
No, we have time no more here no.
Alright, well basically girl, he just never did behave himself. You understand what I say?
Bad boy.
Yeah, but he's a changed nigga now. You understand? So
changed nigga. I know so no been a try, you know. No matter me I push you know. But you know feel say full time for you make a man score one goal. You know feel say more one godson and one goddaughter.
You don't feel say me one godson and one goddaughter. You for go and go breed.
Me.
You don't know where I'm with you.
Me. Just hurry one breed man. You know say it would be nice if you can get a chance to go back over there. Because if you get a chance to go over there and a good deal and say, oh, my cheated, now you turn up in here nice, you know. Why am mine, you know? You go there, I'll take you over, you know, file for you know. And then I'm going to go, they can't file for me.
And that with you,
Then with a friend.
I'm gonna tell you something. Nothing happened before a time. Who would tell, say, by years combined, can go back over, clearing record and then look away there and go back over.
I think for behave himself no man.
No man ain't good and no man ain't good girl. Girl, I'm tell you this. Me, they stay by my man, me I stick with him like glue. You know, crazy glue stick, right?
Girl,
I'm not going nowhere. Me and him through thick and thin. Because I love him bad. When I say love him, I mean love him.
Yeah, why can you want love your man?
Girl, me only can't talk for myself. Me can't talk for you.
Anyway, me I go down the road go play my floor bill, you know. Come when my spooky come home, meet today. All dance down.
That's you do. You love man like that.
Right, man, feel over my man, feel over lucky.
Alright.
Call me if anything, you hear?
Yeah, me call you.
No, text me, because I know you call me one time.
I'm not gonna disturb you, girl.
What's that rain?
Alia.
I'm free.
There man, how going?
But then you know, see over your yard me I come from.
Over mama. I want to get out left out your friend, you know.
No.
I don't know I told me I come from, and he said, no, look at $300, I just go collect, you know.
Me just go there tell her say I want to make it but I want things work out for you that I get to go back over cause if you take care of her so when I gone over she not rotten, she spoil you know. When I don't know her.
I kinda miss foreign still, you know, cause me I tell her foreign is rough, you know, but a lot of opportunity that foreign, but you know, I just look over misunderstanding when I get deported, but my auntie I try to fix up back things. I never tell Tia because I'm up on the phone with her.
Yeah, I want to fix up back because she love her, you know. And one thing, you know.
The artist in Alia. Well, we can meet some of my family because everybody grow big right now. Right now, I love my family, I even if my family. I talk blood family, but...
I know, man, I know. But listen to me now. You know, if you see a time, I know say I want to try 2 times man no work. You know, if you say I forget one God baby now.
I look about him, man. I look about him, man. But
look about
it. It go up, man, because it's like, right now, me want a youth, but she want a youth, man. How me want
exactly, and me want it.
Me.
I want me God baby.
So she over there do now?
Me left her over there, see that now.
I tell you what, I look about it right now.
Right now, look about it.
I'm tell you this. Right now my hand a pain me and right now come like my hand swell, you know. My shoulder, you know. Because your man beat me with my shit and you tell me say me can't come over there good. And you make your man slap me with my shit. Eh? Girl, you see if me never want to go back in your mickle again. Me pay a man for dash me, but if it's true, yo, me can't buy no food for you now. Later me call you. I feel like I can't take man for fool or something. No kind of style in my youth. Jackie, Anna. Hello, baby, I'm in the oh, yeah, pass me, sir.
Sure. If I worry now, you ever come with your foolishness? What happened?
There, I just look for you, get brown or something and...
Nope.
You know?
Let me stop already, it's not bother with it. Me don't tell us I have a man and I love my man though.
Me not look your man. Eh? Are you me I look, me never ask about your man a while ago. Me tell you say you brown and nice. Me never tell you say your man brown and nice. Me not love man, me not date man.
Well, me have my man.
Your hairstyle turn up, your body turn
yes,
up.
I'm a man, turn up me.
No,
I'm a man alone can't get a 360. First, furthermore, so what's like I'm meet the whole line family, them got family and everything, thing legit and you see me. So if there was a chance for you, there isn't anymore.
No, listen, love now we're again, and so if you feel like love, we're like then close we have and now we're again.
You see like I'm close and sit on the for me?
Is now there with one man, so you can't have me in your life.
No, one man me want and me have married, I don't need anymore.
It's a front split in a two. Half of him and half of me.
No, it ain't no work so.
So nothing wrong if me wind up in the head too.
Oh, where I go? Where you go and business alone me? I tell you last time, alone me alone. Me and you can be friends, but not more than friends.
I just give you a nice compliment.
If you tell me say you want to wind up in a whatever.
Yeah, so me no man, me not have to tell you that. Alright, I say you go. Me not stop trying. Me know me go get it. Me not stop trying.
Me want to see that.
Me don't touch you, man. Don't touch you. Yeah. Run away, eat that boy out of your life. I'm feeding your life, baby. I don't want you to ride for my bike. Pedal. Hey bro, G, what's up, bro? You okay, my nigga? I'm just coming from in the town, bro. Yo, what's up? You alright? My nigga, what's up? Okay. Yeah. Yo, hold on, my nigga. Hold on, what's up? 1 second. Babes. What I'm here?
Just doze off.
Doors off. Bro, what's up? Let me see. Andre, you there? Yeah, man, just say hi to my baby. One of my nigga, Andre, California, in there.
Hi, Andre. Oh, God.
Hey, that's my baby, bro.
So you're friend, myself?
Sorry, babe, sorry.
Yeah, Andre. Blessings, man. Respect. Yeah, man. Hope to meet you one day, too. Yeah, man. Alright.
Bro, listen, we link up, okay? Yeah, all about. Aye. Yeah, my nigga. Adios. Sorry, friend, no baby, man. Where you doze off? Want you tired? Oh, God.
I'm tired, man.
Why life rough, life good, life bad, but can't give up no matter how we are go through. You see me? Boy, me I want surprise here, babes.
What kind of surprise?
Boy, my auntie send me $100.
The friend when she promised her that the money there, no?
Not true, man. I joke, man. Not $200 and send me, man.
You see you? So you play too much, man.
But you know, we have a good news too. She tell me so she try to work out back my situation, cause why me get deported, you know. I want you to music party, you a problem child and everything. So just show me and in a par and they want to do some investigation and all, cause you know so now they're foreign. You see me, FBI investigate somebody who are part of the investigation. So then when you feel like me a part of the problem and all. You see me, and you know so I let me get caught up, cause I come from Jamaica and they're foreign and a part of the youth and even my background. So that's why when they deport me now I feel like me a one gang related member. If you bloods and cribs, you see me?
swear if you say you like you probably know.
So my auntie have one lawyer upon the case but he never want to tell me. So he say come like the case I go my way. So maybe things can pitch off for me, I'll jump back over there. You see me?
That's what I go.
Yeah, man.
But big and serious still, okay? We need to really have a talk, cause
So I'm not talk, babes?
yeah, but we mean like there's something that I want to discuss.
Oh, yeah, sure. I'm here, man. You can talk to me anytime, man.
It really bother me how
She lose the belly.
That too. Me never get this. Alright, let me start from this one. You know, so we tried 2 times already, right? And they shot them fire, right?
I'm correct. We not try. You see me? We don't try. We play the football. Me score. You get what me I say? You never keep good. I just misunderstanding drain away. You understand? That's not your fault. That's not my fault. That's just life. So we have to just pray to Father God and hope next time when you open me a book and I write tonight and me score, Father God just knows so you'll keep it safe.
Well, I think we need to try to score again because a long time we are talking now and we don't know little baby I run up and down in our house and I give a little laughter and little, you know that
You're right, man, that, you know, cause the wickedest thing I know, like, I must have left here from a young, you know, from a very, very young. You get what me I say? When I left here, I didn't even know if it's a ABC, but I learn. And then I go foreign, I get deported and come up. I didn't even know my family. I don't know them.
Me talk to
you see me? So if me can't get to meet them, then me have to just deal with the family of our own.
Right now it hurt me. Me don't know majority of my family. Majority of them I don't know because of what. From mommy daddy come like me don't know nobody in my family now link up and have one like a family reunion. Some of them me not even remember them for tell you the truth. Yeah. Like if me pass them right now on the road, me don't even know say my family.
Yeah, family. But at least me I go through the same thing. But listen, I really want to say still, you lose a mother and yo, me never lose a mother or a father, but yo, me have nigga, me have friends, me have close on me lose. And me know say much dreadful and hurt more if you lose a mother, so I'm really sorry about that. But the point that I try to say, the same situation where you go through me, I go cheat, and go through you lose some lose a mother in the process. So me just tell you, say, I'm there for you. I'm not there because of sex or because me have a woman. I'm there because we there for each other. Because you are a good woman. So me there for you, nobody to pray nothing. You see me? Yeah, man. In a matter of fact, she named Ali, your friend, because me book her out the road a while ago. And she say, yo, him come link you. So you see, you have a good friend in your life, and me have a good friend in my life. You see me, Puppy Dan. I'm going to chew Puppy Dan just a whore. Man, slap him up with my shit, you know.
You too lie.
Puppy Dan man gone a man yard in a man bed with woman. Me tell him, say, come here, him go back up at the man, go check him, man. If you like a fight, me go fight. I slap man, slap him up again.
You don't say I'm a good friend. Why you the one that happened?
Babe, so listen me now. If me and you are there now, and you buck a man, and the man will tell us to come here woman yard, and you go, no, tell me the truth now. Then not that me I try to show you.
Sometimes you have to play hide and seek and
then not that man. Puppy too careless in life, man. You see me, every minute I run around and jump over and I got people yard. Make the woman come and feel like a dirty yard and I want to sweep up. And sitting, right? You understand?
Why would one friend with you just read out in my files?
So. Babes, you don't know Puppy Dan deal with me more while enough. Puppy Dan deal with me rough more while enough. Say me a deport and me a broke foreigner, you know? I saw Puppy Dan deal with me more while enough, but I go do it still. I
saw friend and friends still, but differently, on serious note, enough for Puppy Dan I know.
That's true.
Right now, mommy, my mother, you know say, me no say no, so me not grow down here so like that.
Yeah,
because I'm from little.
You left from down here.
I'm go White House, go live and it's like coming back and the girl is like, me not gonna say me regret it, you know, cause me meet you.
Cool.
But in like a family where me know and I'm like a circle, a White House thing there.
Oh yeah.
You understand?
Oh, your mother and go back and live with your boyfriend and things not work out.
Yeah,
and she
so
drop out, so just come back down here.
and then guess what now?
I look things say mother ever rent house, you know. So you have to just give you 10 notice and live in, you know. And I look things say me buck you with a house.
Yo, black foreigner!
Jesus Christ, Father God.
Yeah, what go on?
Oi!
What was
Jesus Christ. Come in, me killer man.
Yo,
Come in.
I must can get $10 there, cause I go down to Western Union and they tell me that children you collect on $100.
And one thing me know you always a call me broke foreigner, but them Western Union all the information just tied up on.
No, understand me, brother. I grow up Western. Yeah, I grow up Western Union picture and they say children again.
Yo, you're about to see. How would you ever get me show, man?
Children, let me see one. Let me see paper. Western Union paper, you get.
No, but you know, puppy, you know nigga Western Union, me get the money, me tear it, and me burn it, and me dash it back on me.
Say about it now.
Me bunny from the whole wallet fat in your pocket. You don't look like 100. No man, a garlic in my wallet, man. Garlic. Hold on, bunny is popular.
Respect. That change like it. No, tell me the truth. That change like it.
Easy, you know. You see, you broke for it, I give you $5,000. $5,000.
I want to tell us that girl hungry and I go buy my food.
Which girl?
See when my man beat me.
Come on,
Take back your money, take back your money.
I joke, man.
Come on, tell me where you
I joke with my friend, man. I joke with my trouble, man. Don't tell man. I joke with my trouble.
Me there still, you know, me there, me and mama try to cook up and boy or one girl.
Alright, then I
So just lock the door when you left.
Alright, no problem. Me ain't no. Sorry.
Yeah, lock the door.
Look, come on, check your box.
Yes.
5 here. Alright.
You know, say friend presumptuous.
I say him got man.
Ain't too presumptuous.
A good boy.
So I say, yeah, hook
Babe,
up
put
a
me
boy.
up in a hat.
You know, hook up a boy or girl for sure.
Jesus Christ.
B.
I tell you, say, I just feel like I make up my mind and now say, yo, if you just love the woman there. Because I tell you, that I see a man, I tell you, say, a man forward in the yard, man, and lick me the machete on my shoulder yesterday, man.
So you never left with a woman a long time?
You know, yesterday, a man lick me on me under the machete. And I go back over there last night. Yo, you man have a good something on 9 foot in the man. I just like go up on him play field. I don't know why. All me I try find one different.
So you go up on him ball ground and broke your foot? Or lose a 2 foot?
Brother, I tell you, say, last night I go over the yard. When I go over the yard, I know, he say man gone downtown go and buy food. I fi come give him a quick service. By the time I reach in the yard, the man nobody go downtown, you know? Like the man standing in the yard for watch her to see what I go on. So by me reaching the yard now, I want shuffling me here. I mean, I feel just run out of the yard, so I know I want another machete slap.
At least you have sense. A sense you have. You see me?
Brother, I tell you, say, all this 30
years. About machete slapping. A friend no go back right now, you know.
So hold on.
Take care of me woman and see, you know.
You tell me about your auntie, your auntie in a link about the
she
thing,
link about man, he might try to deal with the man, because I want to look at misunderstanding with the whole case, you know. So lawyer kind of up on the case. So, why free babes?
Morning.
Morning, love.
Right? Yeah, man, my day I go and reason with the general, you know.
You look so weak out and tired. And you enough rest.
Not even know, but I don't link earlier, so you see I talk to your friends, so let me forward back and talk to you.
Alright. Take your time.
Alright.
You good?
Yeah, man.
Alright, look at me. Later, here.
Alright, later.
Right.
Love you.
Love you too. Love you again. I want you forward back, I love you. Yeah. Big up, I didn't tell us I love you this morning.
Eh?
I didn't tell us I love you this morning.
No, sir.
I love you for this morning, yeah?
Alright, love you later.
Yeah, baby.
Every day I don't love no one another.
So now every day we there.
Yeah, but show me I hear you tell her I say love her for this morning and she say love you for later.
You know, it's a relationship. You come like when you plan for the corner league. You see if you don't train and exercise, you don't have to win the corner league, you know. So it's the same thing with relationship. When you don't train for a relationship, when you love one another every day, when you in love and you rush and everything every day. You understand?
Yeah, me not say me a fast in business, but
no go just then. If I'm in my business, I go fast. No go just then.
How you do? You score goal again?
We do.
No, she message she come out or she sick.
Remember say mama no feeling. Mama will put thing pan you know. Remember say mama your mother drop out, you know.
Oh, me figure.
And that's why. Remember say I don't know where she come from, you know. And she left and go live back at White House. But she mother drop out now. You must say a bird and everything. So she just come back down your car because he mother house of him mother, you know.
Me know man, me did the year
so I rent she rent out but he move the tenant them.
But you think of that? You think I woman up so when me get beaten if I want to score? Alia I want to score. Me say yo.
Who's Alia?
You say Alia.
Your friend.
I mean, I get
what
sexy.
You mean you want to score him?
So you're going like a man. No man enough to score her.
You know so that's your problem. You know so you go reach 30 and 40 and realize you don't set a foundation. Carry woman you want to score them, eh?
What you mean then for now woman me no want to score them?
Yeah,
them have what me want.
I may bet you so you reach 40 and you can't score no woman and you need to have a foundation plan. Woman always got a foundation, you know.
Brother, I yesterday me see Alia, you know. And me tell Alia, I say, girl, I love you have your man. I can't tell me about man like man. Me tell him, so me not ask about your man. Me ask about you.
I want good man. You have in your life, me not really know the youth still, but me see him.
So me no want good man for her, man. Me tell him, say, I
left
really
him for
think
you want good man for him,
I left him for the boy and dead me. I mean, me give him any money. I'll not give me no money where you get friend.
You have a steady job?
No, but I'll give me all the money from your auntie to me give her it.
So you can't depend on people the money if you give woman.
Me spend money for me woman.
Woman no want you, man. If woman you want you get a long time, every day in pass.
She run me with still and I tell me about
she no want you.
A long time I look her but me not give up. Me must get her one day.
Why? Watch you now, brother. Me tell you something, man. Try sort out your life. In sex if you chose still.
No, you can't look on her.
Me not look on him.
Oh, she has such a
no, but in sex if you chose. So what me have to do about that? Eh? If a woman sexy and she is sexy. When you give a woman a compliment that give me, I give me.
That's true.
You see me?
Yeah, me I go up on the road still, you see me?
Alright, me there still I go on easy, you know.
Yeah, man.
And me I go and hold them, you know.
Cause last night me even play all on football and I tell you right now come like me island.
Rest your body, man. Rest your body.
Island bad me so maybe me I'll go back up so
Rest your body, man.
if you hear like say no look out trouble on the road just call me and make sure say me good.
What?
I don't know if me go up behind the man or catch me in a woman yard again.
Only somebody me a call if my woman call me and tell me say something do you know. Me no need to call upon that and
me ain't a friend. Watch that man.
Your friend and me your friend for your life and my life different. You get me I say you think me I come put myself in a problem for you? Two year got people
I
here.
really have to say man can't really recognize me.
Yo go along where you are man.
Joke,
Give me a-
yeah, look at boy.
Yeah, look more.
Yeah. Get no other money.
No, me no get no money. I save money.
Up on the wallet, brother. You give
I
me
see.
5,000 money.
No, I save money for you and baby up on the way I come.
You know, see, that I go out. Come and see mama come out and mama face look like
Yeah man.
the score a goal.
Look on the mind and look a boy there and a boy you know I think you know.
A boy.
Yeah man, the girl them call people up. When you see girl them now, you see when a man gone out then call man for jump fence and come over there. So me can't buy the girl them.
True, you
No,
want
girl.
a son, you raise him like
Want-
a real
Yeah,
G.
me no want to raise him like you. Cause you don't raise up good. You raise up you always a jump over people fence but trouble and no fear. So
So
me no
you know,
want- me
look
no want no girl.
Look more.
Yeah, look more.
But I would have been my godson still.
Well, that's what you're saying, but I'm not sure about that because I don't want you to teach him where you
Yo, look more here, man.
Yeah,
I want
look
to
more.
man.
You just live your life here over people fence. The man gonna work for you man and you just go over there fool around. Eh? The man separate machete with you and then you go back over there last night. Hey, I say, I want the man hold you and beat you and then call the police. I say, I'm going to your house, I go see if I want about my breakfast. Yeah.
Babes. You know what I say? I have to jump out of the place.
Yeah, don't worry now.
Yeah, I know it already because I'm gonna be a more and it's so far from here. I have to stay upon property because I tell how come I do baby and
Fear.
if fear God know how much I could have seen every day but the fear thing I beat my bad.
I say you got at least make it for see you. And then again, if I'm a reunion, I carry go other day. My life just feel complete now. Like without you, my life me incomplete. No, me complete.
You know what you mean?
Feel like a wife now. You understand?
But you've been a wife, you are a wife.
So, me have more to tell thanks to meet all the people them. And then again, your sister them is so nice.
Baby, I want to tell you thanks for being the perfect girlfriend. I don't think I could have asked for nothing more. Nothing more. But, baby, you've been the perfect girlfriend. Even when I'm gone, I don't have to fret or worry about you.
You don't need to fret. You're the following me every night.
Tonight, I tell you, I don't feel no insecurity. I just alright, baby, I can't tell you thanks enough. You don't know how the peace of mind they make me just can't work and not have to worry about nothing.
You don't need to worry about nothing, man.
The biggest
You
thing,
leave, me the here, you come back, me still the here waiting on you.
baby, the biggest thing more about is when I get to see you again.
Most time take a part of like 3 days, 4 days.
So I don't know.
Yeah, so by been when I make 5th day pass. You not make it pass. Me know that's for your fault.
But I have to call out money what I can't go so long.
Me know when I make that pass. So maybe in 3 days or 4 days time may see you again.
Alright.
And be safe.
Alright, baby. Bye.
Bye. Be safe now. Me share some food, put now on dish pan table you can have it for lunch today.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
No, sir. It's a girl that ever left fear girl open. No, sir. Jesus. What's up?
Oh, yeah, man.
There, what one?
Somebody
You're
hello.
good. A long time I don't see you.
Boy, because I work have me away, man. You have me pinned down. Me hardly can there. So, because I work on maybe and the property, me have to stay up on it. Because I fear I beat my body.
Me know they really not easy. Me I tell her not easy, boy.
Good
So,
man.
I just say, go. So when you have forward bank?
Why? 3 to 4 days for now.
Oh, that's a weekend.
Basically.
Alright, just
You're good
be
though.
safe, yeah, man.
Look for earlier.
Yep, as usual.
Well, I wish I could have come look for him again. Tomorrow. But never go
Yeah, weekend so forward,
You
man.
can't forward far fast enough.
Alright,
Take care.
yeah. Ali, oi! Oi! Oh, Jesus. Girl! So, Eh? There, mama. Listen, one. What do you?
My man gone, girl.
Did you go like coffee every man gone? No working man gone.
So
by weekend. Oh, what do you name? When I in love the one. No, sir.
The man gone too long now.
He
Got
gone.
3 days before there. No one there. Even though me have him on phone, but I can't bother.
Why? You love for your man do. Eh?
I him me feel love.
Just like come love mine. But girl, come over here to talk to you, cause you know certain things can't talk on phone and I can't wait for you forward over here cause you take whole day.
Me there come over there no, but me there prep some man finger, you know.
I understand. But me I tell you, I'm just wait.
How are you?
Girl, I'm not feel good. From that day, I'm not feel good. And like, it'll get worse.
Goody!
You know?
God be in for the way. We know, man. We know. Girl, put on my phone. What you say? You score?
I remember them. Then 10 down. I said 10 down. I can't hold it.
The ball, yeah. He scored the goal. I said, I forgot to pick up him when we see him.
And then guess what? I'm not telling him nothing yet. Me not, girl, it's not like me sure, but
me sure.
You see feeling it didn't like what it happened me 2 times back. You understand?
Me sure.
Cause all when me care up sitting it bitter have one green, you know?
You're gone. You're gone. What?
I don't say tomorrow me feel a deal with the one.
And no come, you know about come and sit properly. Sit down good.
Alia, you're going like a yeah, baby father, you treat me so like me fragile.
So I got baby. You know how long more I got baby?
I don't want to sit for drink. I don't need no
Yes,
drink.
yes, me a come.
Why? She's more excited more than me. Me not sure if nothing happened, this girl excited. Hurry up! I'll cold set feel like it a wash.
Me a come. Yeah. Hold up. No, let me got baby thirsty. Hurry up. Cheer. No more soda, you know. Tell you that.
And a Pepsi, me that ask you.
No, you swear me can't tell. Pepsi in the but you not get it.
And I don't feel it.
Tomorrow me I go to grocery shopping, so nothing like that now.
So anyways, well, I'll do that differently, cause
allow me alone. Me no bother sell again. My man can't come back next 3 days. Me I talk about my God baby. No, you not tell him.
me I'll tell him, then eventually have to know. Me I'll tell him.
Me say girl, share. 10 to worry now one. The one puppy than him now. Yesterday, our family for where me I got my yard, me see him. I can't tell me how me run and him want this and him want. Everyone man tell him to love me alone. Every time he see me, I see him thing. I been tell him say me I'm a man. And he must come tell me boy I'm a man, him a look.
Boy, different is still know. Me rate a man in a but puppy than a good youth. Although I ain't worry about
puppy than a good youth.
Then a nice boy,
So
me like me spirit take him.
Anyway, one man my spirit take and a my man. Sorry.
Me a come down me yard. Can you give me drinks and want to take you back? I think me not say to pre where you do.
But I know you me get for my God baby. I know you. I know for your drinks and my God baby drinks.
A little later, you get too overexcited. If you not when not sure.
Take time walk. You hear? I'm follow you.
No, me alright.
Take time walk.
Alright.
God baby for this real life.
Well, I don't tilt it. You know what I say? Them a go son you, you know? Them a go son you. But just say me I go lie down till you forward.
I really know.
So I'm with your friend now, you alright?
She good. Over there tell me about Puppy Dan and one bag of drama. So Puppy Dan must see her yesterday and approach her.
Your friend can't make Puppy Dan up in blood pressure and Puppy Dan a crosses, you know. Puppy Dan a crosses.
I good you, but he knows who.
So, cause you know say film boyfriend like sometimes when he go on a work, all 1 week or 2 weeks. So your boyfriend over there?
You know, so I would make over them and see my left out, say I'm going to work till weekend.
Why are you with the boy? I'm going to hope say, yo, Alia just deal with that youth good. Cause you look hard for your man to work hard and take care of a woman when I work. Cause you know work, you to take care of man, you to work good money too. So I'm going to hope say you just go and hold out and make Puppy Dan go in and brain. Yeah, tell her that. You still not feel better?
If you ever know, say, I know. You know me then, if you come home, if you come talk to you, because me did really want to talk to you earlier, but through me see I talk to Puppy Dan about this one.
You know, so my mind tell me say you want to say something.
Yeah, man.
But anytime you see me I talk to my friend, them just say, babes, beg you a minute, and me hear you talk.
Man.
You see me?
Me didn't need to go link earlier too.
Oh.
But anyways.
So you want to talk
No, so
about
to tell you the truth, be, I don't feel so 100 if you can notice.
Me see say you don't feel good. But me whenever I stress I come down upon you with your mother and one bag of something, so I wonder. You see me?
No, be. I know that.
Oh.
I really know that.
Wow.
Me think I'm pregnant. Like, seriously.
You think you're pregnant? Are you pregnant? Are you know so you're pregnant? Are you not sure if you're pregnant?
You
No,
see
talk to me.
signs of pregnancy? Me I have all of them. Like, all of them.
Yeah, pit.
Me I spit.
Yeah, vomit. Yeah,
my breast tender.
Hey.
And then look weird and
Jesus Christ, babe. So, you have to tell me why this and you're nice on a walk, man. You're not hot.
where am with you?
Come here, so babes. Come over here, so. Take time. Sit down over here, so. Come over more. Come right over more. Take your time. Come over more. Yeah. You're comfortable, so? You know, so you're pregnant, baby, man. Put your foot here, so.
You come like all the when me pregnant, me get them as
Take time, talk, man. You know why you do nothing to your baby, man. Hurt the baby. You know, say you're pregnant. Oh, God, man. Yo, God love you, you know. God, hey. You come like him a move, man.
Biggie, the baby not gonna start move so fast.
He know me. Me don't know if he know you yet, but he know me.
You don't know if you know me yet, so we, you know.
Feel that. Jesus Christ. Hey, God love you, you know. I want boy, you know. I want boy.
So want me for one girl?
A girl you want?
Yeah.
A twin. Boy, baby, God know, man. You know how long you want one baby? I'm one youth. My you stifling, babes. My you stifling. Right, make it a year, man. Right, that's every time, man. Right, that's when I put it too close to belly. Oh, God. You tell Ali already?
Yeah, me tell her.
You tell Ali already? Oh, shit. You tell Ali before you tell me?
Actually, I'm never really sure, but when I come to think of it, the signs them did it, so might as well.
Oh, so you just go find out if what you think kind of woman too.
Yeah.
Oh, that good, man. So Ali, you not glad?
She glad. She happier than me right now.
Boy, me have to go up and call me auntie and tell him. Me have to go call me auntie.
Alright, here what be, cause when I tell me that thing, so me never did fit tell Alia. Cause you know when female just pregnant, you know just spread it, so nobody tell her auntie, nobody tell Puppy Dan either. Wait till it belly come to perfection, we spread the news.
Oh, true.
You understand?
True. Cause my auntie always tell me say, he want me, you know.
Then
He want me, you know, that he always tell me say, boy, me overjoy. But then me tell me auntie can start send, because every 2 weeks send me money, you know. Maybe you can put her on next journal up on the journal then.
And she can start back barrel too.
You're not, you're smart in our school I used to go. You're smart. Eh? Alright. So you want to lie down a little bit?
Yeah, feel like once.
Yeah man, come on, watch your puppy down here.
You go tell him.
No, I'm not watch him. If you tell him. But me don't let me mouth I go sleep. Come.
Try not make it sleep.
You want to put your foot somewhere? You hold? Yeah man, take your time. Take your time, Yeah. And put me number first. Anything you call me.
Speed dial.
Right, yeah. You hot?
I'm good man.
Alright. Me soon coming up. Yeah, Jesus Christ. I'm going to pop it on right now. Yes. Bingo. Object bingo.
Time. Father, come in there, father. Come in there. Time. You remember me?
No, me not remember you, but
Dead.
Tayan, anybody call me
No,
Tayan, and
remember
people know me from me a boy.
You know, when me see how I come and I say, Tayan, this you see your face that remember say you, bro.
Me not really pick up
You
still
remember,
about anybody
alright.
call me Tayan from me a little boy.
And
And then
remember Patchy, little Patchy, I mean that, you know, when we go primary school. You remember Patchy?
hold on there. When me get in the fight,
Yeah.
and you come bail me out.
Yeah. I mean, and call Patchy.
Jesus
little Patchy,
Christ.
we are class primary school.
So you know me, they mean a family youth.
Me I say a long time, I see you.
Alright, how me get your name Tayan?
Your mother name Taya.
Jesus Christ, youth. Yo,
Remember you, bro.
Jesus.
I mean, I hear a little story where they know.
Father God,
I
like.
think me when I say like, you get deported, so and that.
Yeah, man, me get deported, man. Go
I
over
mean, I
there,
say
brother.
me not see you. You see me? Me I'll go on like family road and what there, me not see you,
You
bro.
got one family where?
Up Lucy side.
Bro, from me get deported and come back to Jamaica, you are the first family me meet in my life.
Me I see through my phone in Japan there, but
More know some of my family. More.
give me a number, me memorize
Yeah.
it. Cause yo, me I tell you, bro.
Yeah, man, 52, 61, 92, 20.
52, 61,
91, 20.
91, 20.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yo, more know some of my family. Me can't know them in a real
You
life.
see when me as one girl, me I wait for to go fix my phone.
Oh.
So I'm call like a girl, I'm going to deal with my phone screen. Me send her all I picture them. Cause me a whole pa picture.
Auntie,
You see
cousin,
Susie from where
with the nose knot.
Yeah.
When Jesus Christ, you.
Everybody
Hey.
is up there.
Every,
Me wonder how me not see
me
you,
never
bro.
know, cause remember son me left for me a little boy, you know. A ABC, me I say, you know. I know me come back when me a big man.
But your auntie take you up, me not see you back.
Yeah, man, auntie take me a foreign man, but as me say,
Y'all white out cause
God know, you know, you not taught yet, man.
Jaja.
But yo, bro, no disrespect. Me have all a woman in my life, and me a woman live down here right now, you know.
Don't you?
Yeah, me woman, alright, to be honest, me woman, she from here, so but him leave when him young in a White House, and him mother passed away. So he come back down here
My
now.
mother love to meet a woman, bro.
You're busy now, can't make you meet her.
Me have to deal with it. Me kind of
Oh, sorry
fix
about-
the
yeah.
phone cause 1 week now, man.
Yo,
Me have
brother,
business.
yo, it's a pleasure, my friend. You're
Yo,
the first
me- me
family
tell you,
member
yo.
me meet.
In
So
a
I'm
real
come.
life, in a long time, me I say, me want get a contact.
Yo, you remember my number?
Me remember.
Yo, bro, just
Lucky.
reach out to me. Cause me couldn't mind you link me for the day we have a drink and you can call up the family, man.
Alright,
And
yeah, man.
you know, me just want to know my family, bro.
Yeah, man, as we say,
Yo.
a long time.
Oh, God, man, that's what tell
me,
woman this, man.
Me I tell everybody, say me see you.
Oh, yo, we sorry, say your phone in a right
Yo.
to click on, you know, but
One look a picture. Yeah.
yo, call me, no G,
Yeah,
please,
man.
you know.
Yeah, me
Alright, look more.
I link up as the phone fixed.
Yeah,
As
man.
the first me I call.
Are they fixed?
Yeah, man.
Yo, Father God, great in the youth. Yo,
See that?
Rastafari.
Remember the dog, you pay mango here name dog. Jaja. Yo, we have the whole day out there saying, brother.
babe, my sister, you feel look a bit better.
Yeah, man, just look a bit on and off, you feeling on and off.
That I go gravitate, man. Because remember, you know, from your expect a child, you know, if a feeling that will take over your body for the next 1-2 months. Anyway, yesterday when I forward back, because I figure link Puppy Dan and I never get to link Puppy Dan. And when I forward back, we give one great news. You sleep out the whole day, you sleep out the whole night. Me just me know you're tired and you want to rest, the baby want to rest. I don't wake you. The only thing me do, me just cover you and put the fan to spin because I want to stuff up you.
I just the feeling, man, the feeling, me I tell you.
Yeah, man, the baby feeling.
My world want the feels. You see, first trimester always hectic.
Babes, you know what me want to tell you? Remember say all along me I tell you say from me forward back from foreign from me get deport, I don't meet a family member. Me can't pass people and even know say I'm a family. Me I walk for go link Puppy Dan babes. I want you to say Tayan. So me turn on. And me I say, what you say look while? He said Tayan. Me will tell say when me young they used to call me Tayan because my mother name Taya. So they call me Tayan. TT. You get me I say? So me say, anybody know me as Tayan, you have to know me from
your baby.
You understand? Yeah. And you to explain and tell me. And when me pick up you now, one youth when I used to go to school, one youth, then call him Bun, but his original name is Tugger Dan. The youth all tell me auntie, youth tell me how I get the name Tayan. The youth tell me about my auntie who take me up a foreign. Because he say, yes, I get deport, but he never knows how true. You know, me approach we box somebody who my family, who I know.
You know, say, from mine, if you say this to you. You know, say last night, I post me up on my status, right?
Because you always post me?
Yes. One of my uncle, Missy text me. You know how long I don't hear from him?
Where the uncle come from?
Lucy.
Lucy?
Yes, text me out her blues and tell me, say, you look familiar. So they look familiar, like, he know him from somewhere, but he just can't
pick up.
Yeah, like,
well, remember say me play football, you know, I used to play corner league and them thing there, you know. Because when me just come back, you know, so you would link me to play. So maybe at the football, so me go play football, because I play corner league, Lucy, Froome, everywhere. So maybe at the football. But me never tell us say babes, all the youth I tell me say Tugger, because of what me mean. I tell me give him my number and he tell me say him that family reunion and he no see me. So me I say me never know about that. He tell me say he take picture with uncle, auntie, brother, sister, cousin, niece, in-law, outlaw, front-law. He say he take no picture with back-law, you understand? Okay. But he take picture with everybody. He start your phone drop right now, he send me a picture of them. So me tell him if he send me a picture of them, because I want to know my cousin, I want to know everybody. So he say I want girl in contract with him, she go fix him phone. So as he get the phone fix him, I send me a picture of them. And he say I come check me too. Well, so if me there I want to tell you, come check me. I him, name Bun, but I Tugger Dan me call him. Because I like Bun a woman name. You understand? Yeah man, me well want me want sit down and tell me the whole of my family. If he can't tell me, he can call them on the phone or video call me, know them. Auntie everybody.
Family,
oh you mean man?
You know your family.
You have to know your family man. Me don't want part of my family my road and don't know them.
Well, me then to meet him.
Yeah man. As me say, no
like
call him Bun, you know like him. If he come just remember Tugger Dan. Yeah.
Not Bun.
No, because if you say Bun, I know so me you sit down and chat. Although me you sit down and chat. But I don't chat, we are chat him. Bun. No.
You see? Bun.
Tugger Dan. Babe, stop say Bun no.
Tugger Dan too hard for member. Bun.
But anyway, I want to meet my family man, in a real life. It's good for when you know your family. You see them on the road, you know so your family. You see the drunk them on the road, all when you not chat to them, but you know so your family. It's good to know your family.
Well, time and God still, you know.
But I want to go to the road still, you know.
Yeah.
Watch out. Speaking of your good friend, the best friend, the better friend you have in your life.
Woo.
Watch it, you see it? Take time when you do it. You feel sometimes you must sleep, you know. Alright. You can't rub your nose because you come like you must sleep. You understand?
You must sleep, you know.
Hold me on. day I sleep. So I did my time when I sleep, you know. But you understand?
Yeah, look more here. Alright, just call up. Oh, remember, I used to look about you know. So I look about you know. Alright. Yeah.
Hold on.
Yeah, girl. I'm so 100, but feel better than me feel yesterday.
Man, is it?
Yes, but it's a wear off now. In the day part. But
girl, I don't know what there's something in you.
Coloring book. I know the man excited. Me not say me not excited enough, but
come like a him
if me move, me not fi move too much. Me not fi talk too loud. Me not fi sit down too hard. Me not fi. You know, say nothing. This man in more like a sexy man again. You know why hurt the baby. So tell me now, for the rest of the 9 months, I never sit there.
No man, when you get the girl older, you know you will get it. But for now, just ease yourself, man.
But why I don't know? With me and him though, it's why we got three same thing.
What do you mean by same thing?
It's a family business where me no know. Me no remember half of my family them.
Because you left down here.
That's true, but see, ma tell me say he must see me when I'm cousin. Must see bun or something of a sort.
Bun.
Yes, so he meeting cousin. And the cousin must got a family reunion and show him picture. So your
cousin have no other name?
Must be Togadan, but a bun easy to remember, so a bun me a call him.
I understand.
Yeah, my girl, so. But guess what now? You see me post up in picture last night. Post up in picture for my status. No Uncle Rai. One of my uncle me see. Vice note me say.
So
he know coloring book say you know calling him and just said it. He man look familiar like he know a man from somewhere. So I don't know.
Know him so Rai would know him from.
People.
That's true, you know, because the other day me in a town and one youth, yo, Karen, kill him dead a Karen. I mean, I know youth no. One time I say who you call, he say he feel say one lady down the road. That time I don't know who name Karen.
People feel people still, but
yeah.
The I wanna know.
You know, so me just there, so me I walk and check for me got baby, you know.
I hope when you pick the band, and me carry pick the conga.
That the pit there go rotten. That the pit there go spoil.
Anyways, me like say you can't look for me, but right now I sleep. Me I go sleep. Me I going to sleep.
Come to spend time when we got baby and you can't about sleep. Hello, yeah, baby.
You want me sit down out here and chit chat with you? I'm tired.
I know what she gonna name. She gonna name Kimaya. Yes. Nobody with no coloring book, you know. Nobody will show you here coloring book. You're gonna name me baby crayon now, you know. Yeah, no joke. A Kimaya that. Yes.
Boy, I get that joke. I'm in there.
Alright, then Kimaya. Oh, I like you know, I'm take my god baby. I like your style, you know. Later.
Pop it on. Yo, I pray. Come here, me have good news. Good news. Pop it on. Yo. Me pregnant. Yo what? Poppy, me pregnant. Where you say a while ago? Me pregnant. Watch you, man. Yeah, man. No shit. Man. Sorry, pop it on. Woman pregnant. Pop it on, me say woman pregnant. And you come puff my chest like pop me. Pop it on, one boy up on the way. One boy up on the way. The ultrasound already? You know the ultrasound, but one boy I want. But you don't know how they panning you attack like you go do ultrasound. And you come puff my chest like me I take your woman. I see him saying nigga lick me my shit for me another day cause me taking woman and not do them something man. My woman not sleep. Puppy dan, I want boy forward. Mama pregnant. Mama cough. And him a pit. Yo, but mama say no. When you go check your story, I tell you say mama look like him pregnant and you tell me say a sick. And your son mouth a blessing. Your son mouth a blessing. Mama pregnant. You happy? Me happy? Ali happy. I'm a godfather then. Me not sure about that yet. Cause you not start out your life yet. But me not sure about that.
Feel for me a cheat. Oh, you see me there? Jesus, puppy that me have one.
Sorry. Keep your hand on your side now, my youth.
Me have one more good news.
What? Me and my cousin yesterday. He name look patch. Look, but me don't know him as look patch. Me know him as Togadan or Bun. And that kind of name that Bun. Him a woman? No, you mean him a woman? A woman me tell you something meet. No, but she say bun, so me under bun now. No, man, I actually use the sweet them when name bun in my school, so they give him bun. But that Tugger than me know him as. Brother, me from me get the port from foreign, you know. We are done now, that's this. That's not rubbish. So true, I'm here, janitor, yeah, come give me rubbish. Alright, now watch it. From me get the port and come to Jamaica, me nigga. Me no mean none of my cousin them. You understand me? I say, and alright, watch out now. Me say me a skank and me a walk. And me a want you to say, Tayan. You don't even know so me used to name Tayan.
Me don't know them.
Yeah, the youth Tayan. So me turn on and me say, and when you say look while, he say Tayan.
That means I know you for a long time.
From he say Tayan, me know so somebody know me from me I grew up. And me I say, gee, anybody say a name there, somebody would know me from me I grew up, but me can't pick up the face. When your man go say, yo, you know remember, look up patch. Bun. And me say, oh, Tugger Dan. And the man I say, yo, bro, me your cousin. Me say, bro, me know. You're first family member, me mate. From me jump back to Jamaica.
And I tell you, unless me your family too.
No, me sure say me are no family. All if them say me are family, me are no family. Me are no nothing. But anyhow, me are pretty. No, man, me
do 1 or 2 work and all.
That good, but me are no family.
That mean me can mind my godson, so me can buy 1 or 2 feet and 1 or 2 pampers.
Me know you can't pampers and then come back feet.
Nah, come back for nothing, brother.
Hold on, don't move. How this?
Bun.
Yo, look up watch. Me know you don't like a name, man. Tugger Dan, man. Yeah. Where say phone active now? Then send me picture. Oh, you can link me. Alright. You see what you see me the day? Yeah, man. Right there, so. Just walk, come up. Let me see. 1, 2, 3 hours. And you just walk forward and step. Yeah. No step for dropping now. Yeah. Right there, so me over there. Yeah. Just call me. Yeah, man. I remember if you bring a phone or have any family picture them, you know. Alright, but oh sorry, alright, Tugger Dan. Yeah. Puppy Dan. Oh sorry. I'm a cousin call me. Yo, my cousin a bad boy, you know what you doing. Me making conk in your face.
I'm a bad boy to 3 niggas sat me with palm machete that day.
You're a tough boy. But anyhow, yo, my cousin link me, bro. I want to know my family. Man, my whole drink. No, me glad you work. No, me glad you work. Me you can't. Me glad you work.
Alright.
Can't share respect. You think so far.
Babes.
Yeah, babe.
Boy, come like every day me I get great news.
Oh.
Me say, my cousin call me say I come link me. Because when I tell take time talk now. Bun. Yeah, Tugger Dan.
Okay.
Say I come link me. Maybe in the party we are far away now.
A good thing that
I mean I'm Puppy Dan out that reason. You see me? Bun say I come check me so me I get to know more of my family. So me when he come, I can chill out, do some video call and I get to know my family them and sitting.
a good thing
You know?
that
Jesus Christ, bro. God Almighty, me
a
feel
good
nervous
thing that you have
already.
your one family reunion. A good thing that
What you mean, man? Remember say from me forward, me not get to know none of my family. Everybody grow big. Boy.
That's true.
Oh God, man. So what?
Why then?
Yo! How that?
Yeah, the...
Jesus Christ, me say me, hey, me just attack out you. Come in, you don't have to shoot, man. Come in, your cousin, man. Oh God, man.
God.
Father God. Babes.
Yo, yeah, tell us saying, me say me have to go and check you and show you a picture of them as the phone fixing as we call it.
Yes.
As the phone put in, so me say, yo, give me, I need your 1%. I'm gonna say, yo, me a short, bro. You see me?
Alright, as me not talk about you now, I introduce you to my girlfriend. You understand? Tia, no, sorry. Tugger, no bun. Tugger. Yeah, man, I'm a girlfriend, man.
Nice,
you understand?
nice to meet you.
Oh, you don't know me?
No.
You refresh your brain, man. You don't remember me? You don't even see me. You don't see me up by renewing one day, man.
No, me never done.
What do you mean, really, you see up a renew? What you have to talk about this? What do you mean, you see
I
up a
miss
renew?
Davis that this.
When
For
you
your auntie. Yeah.
Ush, what on?
You know, yeah.
Ush, Miss Davis.
You remember me?
No.
No, you name Tia Evans.
Yes.
And your father name Evans.
Yes.
You remember your mother moved from down your White House
Oh, him know that.
That's true, but how you know that?
Oh, him know that. You tell him. You know him.
I don't know him from nowhere.
Alright, look at, hold on. I can't believe, cause look, how that? The auntie that.
How me Auntie Suzette?
Jesus Christ.
Me
So
know
how you know
me your
my family?
family.
You know family?
You mean to tell me to be a boiled soup? What
What you talk?
is that woman?
See me woman yeah. Maybe every man yeah.
She are your cousin, this you know? She are your cousin, you up your boiled big Jesus.
Christ, Father God.
Welcome back. I may represent for the general, and you know, so coloring book bosses. I may represent for coloring book TV, you know, a puppet than me general. But here we go on. Thanks for watching a movie to the end. I mean, you know, like, share, comment, and subscribe already. And say if you don't like, share, comment, and subscribe already, just do it. Yeah, man, I wait for you, man. Yeah, go and do it. Yeah. Alright, you finish. Alright, thanks for like, share, comment, and subscribe. You see me on Coloring Book TV. But you see a movie in name Pregnant for her cousin. You see me? You understand? You see them thing, most of them thing happen in a real life, and enough people sweep it on the mat. Enough people not hear about it, and enough people hear about it. But we do movie based up of things that happen in a real life. So just watch a movie, re-watch it, tell a friend, make a friend, tell a friend, and remember, big up Coloring Book TV, Puppy Dan, big up yourself. And big up the whole lot of people that do movie. People that do movie before me enter, big up on yourself. You know, we have to just show respect to the people that did it before me. Rum!